In this video, you will learn how to use the adjustable FreeStyle fixture. This adjustable fixture can be used to hoop sleeves, pant legs, bags, pillowcases, and so much more. Any mighty hoop with a height of 13 inches or less will fit on the adjustable FreeStyle fixture. When using this fixture, you will need the portable mounting base. This base comes in both our Hoopmaster and Mighty Hoop kits. If you have not purchased a kit, you can purchase the portable mounting base separately on our accessories page. When you receive the adjustable FreeStyle fixture, it will come in two pieces. Unscrew the thumb screws from the styrofoam and slide this piece over the top of the fixture board, then tighten the thumb screws. To attach the fixture to the portable mounting base, loosen the wing nut that comes on the base and slide the fixture onto the base. Line up the hole on the fixture with the pin on the base and secure the fixture into place using the wing nut. Next, select the Mighty Hoop size you want to use. For this video, I am using the 12 by 3 1/4 inch Mighty Hoop to hoop a sleeve. Take the bottom ring of the Mighty Hoop and loosen the thumb screws on the bottom of the fixture. Then slide it to fit the hoop size you're using. Once in place, tighten the thumb screws. I will also be putting the fixture's blue clip in the locked position so that the bottom ring does not release until the top ring of the Mighty Hoop is in place. This ensures my alignment will be accurate. Now clip in the backing material. Slide the sleeve onto the fixture using the lines on the board for perfect placement. If the center line is covered by your garment, use the pinhole and screw to line up your garment. Then simply finish hooping. It's all so easy when you let the magnets do the work. To order the adjustable FreeStyle fixture or the portable mounting base, head to hoopmaster.com and click on the accessories page.